topic is the body tag attribute, and third topic is text formatting. Okay, let's start. Before that, we have to open the any text editor. So you have to click on the start button. So right now I'm using the Notepad++ instead of the Notepad. Okay, so you have to write the HTML code. One tab, you have to write head, then one tab, title my page, let's say, and then title, close, and then we have to close the head tag, and then body close, then we have closed the HTML tag. Okay, and this is the basic structure of the HTML. HTML is the parent tag of the head tag and body tag, or you can say head tag and body tag is a sibling of the HTML tag. In case of the HTML head tag has a two-part, head part and the body part. So head part contain information about your web page, what could be title of the web page. So you have to write over here. So in case of body open and body close, you have to what type of information you are going to display on your web page. You will include some text, images, audio, video, whatever you want to display on the web page. You have to write in between body open and body close. Okay, so the today topic is the HTML tag attribute. It has two attribute, dir and lang. So first we will start with dir, means direction of text. Let's say RTL. So the direction of text contain two value, RTL or LTR, means left to right or right to left. By default, it is the text will start from the left side and it will move to the right side. So there's some language will start from the right side and it will move to the left side, like Urdu. Okay, so here we will write one H1, let's say, delete, say, head H1 close here. Okay, then click on the save. Then we have to click on the desktop. Let's say my page 1.htm. Click on the save button. So we will save this on the file on the desktop. Look at here, this is my page 1, where the text will start from the right side and it will move to the left side. Okay, and in case of the lang language, so it is used to specify what type of language you are using in your web page. So in HTML it supports different types of language, like this. You can write over here, like says Akan. For Akan you have to write AK. For Arabic, so you have to write AR. So this way you have to write what type of language you are using in your web page. You have to written that one. So the next topic is we move to the body tag attribute. First one is bg color. Okay, so we will write the one space bg color equal to let's say green, text is equal to yellow. Okay, that means we are applying a green color as a background color of your web page, and the text or the letter that appear on the web page will appear in a yellow color. So you have to click on the save again and then go back to your web page, and this is our web page, and then click on the refresh. So look at here, we are getting a green color as a background and the text color is appear in yellow color. Okay, that's fine. Next one is the background. Okay, so we cannot use both the bg color and background at the same time. So either you have to use bg color or the background. So right now we are using background, so background equal to double quotes. So in between these two, you have to write the image that you are going to insert in your web page. So go back to our web desktop. So look at here, this one, potala.jpg. So we are going to insert this image at the background of your web page, potala.jpg. So jpg, then click on the save button again, then click on the refresh. So this is our background of the web page. This way you can use the background attribute. And the next three attribute is regarding the link. So if there is any link on your web page, so what you are going to do is look here. So look at here, this is the link. So how you will check whether there is a link or not. So when we move on this blue color, the mouse shape will change into the hand shape. So that means there is some links. So how you will make a link in your web page or in HTML is you have to write one code, and this is the code. You have to write ef equal to double quotes, and let's say click here, and then anchor tag close. So A stand for anchor, href means the URL means name of the web page. You have to click on here. So when we click on this click here text, it will link to the another web page. So you have to write the name of the web page over here. Look here, we have look at here, this is my page.html. so we will write this name, my page.html. so you have to click on here. This way you have to click on save button, then click on our web page, and then click on the refresh. So look at here. We will zoom in. So that's the link. So we have written. So when we click on this here text, and it will link to the my page.html. so that means it will open this web page. So there's we are making a link. Default means in previous without any changing. So if you have make any link on the web page, color will appear in the blue. So when you click on this one, so you have to move over the mouse over here and then click on here. Okay, don't release the mouse button. So now this link become active. So by default the link will appear in blue color. So when the link become active, it will appear in red color. So when we click on this one, so it will link to another web page, that is my page.html. so then it will change the color into some purple color. Okay, this is by default. So if you want to change this setting, so look at here, we will write a link. So active link will appear in, let's say, brown. Okay, brown, and link will appear in, let's say, green. Okay, button. So that means when the link become active, the color will change into brown. So when we click on that link, then that link will become the visited link. So it will change the color into green. Okay, so go back to our web page and then click on refresh. Look at here. So this link become green because we have already visited. So when we click on this click here, then keep on pressing the left mouse, don't click. So now right now, look at here, this color is changed into the brown. Okay, so this way you have to write the code of the link, a link, and this one. Okay, and look at here, this is top margin and the left margin. Margin means blank area left from the edge of the web page to your web page content. So look, you have to write here let's say 20 pixel, left margin equal to 20 pixel. Also moving here. And click on here, refresh. Oh, this is not our web page, it is the link one. So click on the refresh. Then so the rating is top margin equal to 20 pixel and the left margin is equal to 20. So we will increase this one, let's say 200. You will see the changes. Oh, look here, we will here. So right now we have top margins from the top to this letter touching the leg. We have put 200 pixel, mean 200 dot. Okay, this become top margin and this become the left margin. Okay, left margin, or you can say right margin. Okay, so the top margin and bottom margin is same, and left margin and right margin is same. Okay, next topic is the last topic, that is text formatting. Okay, text formatting. So the text formatting we will use the okay, we will just copy this one, copy and paste. Okay, we will make a I for italic. You have to close the I for italic, U for underlined, U for underline. Okay, then we will use the SU. So that we have to use the H to SUB sub close, then O. Then we'll write 1 P ST SUB close. Then we will write 1 here stand for break. It will come to new line, break. Okay, I just copy and paste the code. So look at here, then click on here. Okay, this text, first text will appear in the bold and second one will appear in the italic, third text will appear in the underline. Okay, so the 2 is just below the normal line, that is called subscript. Okay, SUB stand for subscript and SUP stand for superscript. So the ST will appear above the normal line, that is called superscript. Okay, and this way you have to do the practical on the HTML. Thank you.